Recently at Internshala, we needed to hire a few interns for our team. We posted the internship openings and got over 500 applications. To fill the position quickly, we were reviewing applications day and night. Then someone directly reached out to us on LinkedIn asking us to review his application. He sent a personalized message explaining his interest in the internship role and why he is a good fit. We reviewed his CV and assignment and ended up hiring him. Now this person is helping us shortlist the 500 applications that we received before to close the second position. This shows the power of simply asking and reaching out directly to recruiters for job opportunities. You may wonder, I also sent a lot of emails, but I get no response. That is true. We also receive many such emails asking for internship opportunities, but most of them do not take time to include personalized messages with it, due to which their emails do not get noticed. You do not make this mistake. That's why I am here with sample emails for different internship profiles. In this video, you will learn when and how to ask for internships, sample emails for various internship profiles, and last, tips for writing an effective email. Now there are 3 situations where sending a message to a company can really help. Scenario 1. When you want to inquire about internship opportunities in the company. Here is a sample message on the screen that you can use to ask about internship opportunities from recruiters. You can click a screenshot of this message for your reference. Second scenario is when the internship vacancy in the company is limited. In that case, a well-written cold email can help you stand out from other applicants. Here on the screen, you can see a sample message you can send in such case. And scenario 3 is if you have any questions about the application process, then you can consider messaging the recruiter for more information. Here on the screen, you can see a sample that you can use in such scenario. See, it is very simple. If you never ask, you will never get an internship. And what is the harm in asking for an internship? On Internshala YouTube account, we received a lot of messages from students asking for sample emails for different internship profiles, which they can write to ask for internship opportunities with the company. So due to the same, we thought of creating a video on it. So this first sample, which you can use to apply for an HR internship. Please feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot for your reference. Now take the screenshot and listen to the tips that I'm going to share. These tips will make your email stand out from other candidates. First, customize your email. Always tailor your email to a specific company and internship role. Try to mention something specific about the company that excites you. ये दिखाता है कि आपने अपना होमवर्क किया है और आप कंपनी में genuinely interested हैं. उसके बाद highlight your relevant experience. Focus on any experience or skills you have that are directly related to human resources. और अगर आपने employee relations या human resource management पर कोई कोर्स किया है तो उसको भी आप अपने ईमेल में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. If you have not done any course, do not worry. You can pursue one from Internshala. Also make sure to include your LinkedIn profile. This makes it easy for recruiters to find you and learn more about you. Also अपने email के end में आप अपना CV और cover letter के links भी दे सकते हैं. This will make you look more professional. And the last but not the least is keep the email short and to the point. This will ensure that recruiters read your email and get enough information about you to decide if you will be a good fit for the role or not. Next, let's look at sample email for designers. Whether you are a graphic designer, UI UX designer or even a web designer, ये sample email आपको अपनी dream internship secure करने में help कर सकता है. You can pause the video and click a screenshot for your reference. Now your email can become even better if you add these things to your email. Now let's check out some email samples for a software development internship. जल्दी से pause करो वीडियो को and click the screenshot. Here are some tips that you have to take care of while drafting a perfect software development email. First, make sure to include your GitHub link. because this will help the potential employer to see your coding skills and the projects you have worked on. Speaking of projects, highlight the ones you are most proud of, whether it is a personal project or something you worked on during an internship. Sharing these will show your experience and creativity. Next, showcase your technical skills. जिस भी टूल और टेक्नोलॉजी में आपकी एक्सपर्टीज है, चाहे वो कंट्रोल सिस्टम है, क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म है या फिर फ्रेमवर्क हो, अपनी स्किल्स को शोकेस करना मत भूलिएगा. फाइनली, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू टॉक अबाउट योर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस नॉलेज. Whether you are skilled in Java, Python, C++ or JavaScript, listing these languages help the recruiter understand your skills and expertise. So the last email sample is on data science internship role. So you can use this email sample to write your perfect email. Sending emails to recruiter is one of the best ways to market and network yourself. And if you want to get placed and gain skills at the same time, then you can enroll to Internshala Placement Guarantee courses. These courses come with 100% placement guarantee, which makes it easier for you to secure a job in your field of interest. And the best part is that these courses offer flexible learning, so you can study anytime, anywhere. Here on the screen, you can see the list of these courses we offer. If you want to learn more about these courses, then you can check out the link in the description box below. And with that, I have reached the end of the video. Remember, the key to our email is being professional, concise, and showing genuine interest in the role. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, then do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and the bell icon for more such awesome tips. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Good luck with your internship hunt. All the best.